Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we have an update for Firefox, and it's an important one because there's a big security flaw in Firefox. It doesn't happen often that they issue security updates like this. So basically, you go on the upper right corner in the hamburger menu, Help and About My Firefox, and you will be sent to 135.0.1. So, first of all, before the security update, it does fix a few bugs. So, the changes come from an issue with drop-down menus on certain websites that might have certain mouse move behavior. They fixed a scrolling issue that caused anchor tags in some situations to go to the wrong location on a web page. They addressed an issue where Firefox functionality to restore closed windows or tabs that stopped working, and fixed an issue where it displayed an overly large icon for custom search engines that were added to Firefox by the user. For the rest, it contains a huge security flaw, and that security flaw is a big one. It's easy to exploit, apparently, according to Mozilla, and it is very, very important to fix. It doesn't seem to be right now used by anyone, but the memory safety bug that is in here, which is a high rating, which is the second highest rating in after the critical flaws. So it's important to kind of fix the vulnerability, and it could potentially be exploited in the wild if not fixed quickly. So do update your Firefox browser if even there's a few bugs, but mostly for the security update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.